This is the 61QK from the brand CIDOO. The box includes the keyboard itself, a user manual, a keycap and switch puller, a USB-C cable, and some spare keycaps. This keyboard has wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4G wireless connectivity and is compatible with Windows only. Now, let's talk sound. This keyboard is equipped with 5 layers of sound improving materials. It has foam, film, pads, more foam, and another pad to ensure it delivers that satisfying thocky sound. Something else that helps this sound is its double-shot PBT keycaps, which perfectly highlights my favorite detail about this keyboard, these transparent accent keycaps for both the enter and escape key. Now, any key that excludes the function keys aren't my favorite, but the keyboard is VIA programmable, so you can remap keys, create macros, and manage backlighting settings to fit your desired preferences. What do you think of this keyboard from CIDOO? And do you like the 60% layout?